everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, today let's learn our first code. The code we will be writing today is called Hello World. To execute any code for the first time, we often need to install and configure a lot of software. And then, to verify if our configurations are working or not, we write a very simple code. This simple code does nothing but printing a simple text, Hello World. This is why such basic starter code is also called Hello World. One last thing before we get going is that a good coder does not worry about which programming language he or she is using. There are so many languages out there: Python, HTML, SQL, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, you just name it. But as we have told you before, our focus should be learning the core concepts. For this playlist, we will use a language called Python. It's simple to start with and it's trendy as well. Later, we will show other languages as well. I know you can't wait any further to get started. Am I right? So, we will also avoid all installations and configurations for now. And we would rather use Google Colab. It's an online environment that we can use for free with a simple Google account. Let's get started. Alrighty, the first thing we do is open a browser and then log in using our Google account. Done? Alright, then open another tab and type colab.research.google.com and then hit enter. Okay then, now we can go to the file and then click New Notebook. It will automatically bring a new notebook for you. A notebook is essentially a file where we will write the code. Okay? Alright. The default name would be something like Untitled 0.ipynb or Untitled 1.ipynb and so forth. We can change the name if we wish. So we are gonna do that now. In that case, we should change the first part and not the extension .ipynb. Remember that we should not change the extension at all. Alright, we will call our file hello world.ipynb. Okay then. Now we will write some code to print hello world. Remember, this is a hello world exercise. Once we write the code, we will click this play button to run the code. And then the code will be executed and the output will appear in the bottom area. It's very simple and you would be wowed that coding is that simple. But for sure, there would be some more interesting and more challenging stuff that we will learn obviously step by step in the upcoming videos. Now, to write the code, the first thing we need is to tell the computer that, can you please print hello world for me? The command that a computer understands using Python as a medium of communications is print. It is print with a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, there would be quotation marks. Anything we write inside the quotation marks is what the computer is going to print for us. Super easy, right? Okay then. Now we will write print parenthesis within quotation mark hello world, and now we click and see the output is already there in the bottom area. So first time it's gonna take a little bit of time to get set in the environment, and it's connected, and there you go, the output is already there in the bottom section. Congratulations! We have successfully written and executed our first code. So, now that we have successfully executed our first code, I think you guys are super excited, right? One fun fact I want to tell you that other languages may use other commands for the print. For example, Java uses a command system.out.print parenthesis within quotation mark hello world. Moral of the concept is, to print some text, we need a command. Every programming language defines what that command is. Something like, all human need a term for the sun. In English, it's called sun, and in Spanish, it's called sol, and in German, it's called Sonne. Now, let's play a bit more. Type something you like and see them printed. We can write down something like, hello world, I have learned my first code today. Let's do that. Here we go. Can you see them printed? Super excited, are you? I'm sure. Alright then, that's all for today. And before we go, there is a fun question for you. Can you think of any text or character that we cannot print using this command? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you soon. Ciao!